it's alright being a tortoise if you don't mind traveling slow. But if you're in a hurry, you really gotta worry, as every tortoise knows. It's best to give yourself some extra time if you wanna cross the finish line. Oh, they'd rather think of dinner than a finish up the winner. Oh, a tortoise is the easygoing kind. Oh, a tortoise is the easygoing kind. Now it's alright being a tortoise if you're fond of salad, stuff or greens. A bit of dandelion is the stuff you can rely on if you cannot find a lettuce leaf. But do not knock a tortoise on her back. It's not because she's scared her shell will crack, but when their legs are in the air, they don't look so debonair. To turn over by themselves, they lack the knack. To turn over by themselves, they lack the knack. It's alright being a tortoise. The shell upon your back is home sweet home. From danger you can hide by popping safe inside, but of course it means you have to live alone. If you invite a friend around for tea, in advance you both have to agree. There's no room inside the shell to bring another friend as well, so it's an outdoor picnic usually. Oh, it's an outdoor picnic usually. It's alright being a tortoise if you're the kind that likes a longish sleep. They sleep the winter through, Holly Hedgehog does that too, and in the spring wakes up and takes a peep. Peep. If I could choose an animal to be, a tortoise or a hedgehog, no siree. Sleeping through the snow, but where does Christmas go? So after all, I'm glad that I am me. Oh, after all, I'm glad that I am. After all, I'm glad that I am. After all, I'm glad that I am me.